feet. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Searcy County in North Central Arkansas, Eastern Newton County in North Central Arkansas, Northeastern Johnson County in Western Arkansas, Northwestern Pope, P.O.P.E. County in Central Arkansas, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Dillon, or 19 miles northeast of Clarksville, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jasper, Dillon, Piercedown, Walnut, Bertha, Rosetta, Bass, Fort Douglas, Crossroad, Swain, Haw Creek Falls Campground, Gum Springs in Newton County, Mail, Lurton, Mineral Springs Recreation Area, Wayton, Low Gap, Parthenon, Vendor, Mount Judy. This is a special weather statement for the following The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lone Oak County in central Arkansas, north central Jefferson County in southeastern Arkansas, southeastern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Humnoke, or 13 miles west of Stuttgart, moving northwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lone Oak, England, Humnoke, Kiel, Brummett, Toltec Mountain State Park, Scott, Allport, Coy, Beavis Corner, Toltec, Color, Tomberlin, Pettis, Seaton, Blakemore. Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Craighead County in eastern Arkansas, western Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Waldenburg, or 10 miles west of Harrisburg, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jonesboro, Buono, Weiner, Cache, Egypt, Waldenburg, Herman, Valley View, Dryden, Dorothy, Richer, Winesburg, Gilkerson, Outwell and Bayonne, Delaware View State Wildlife Management Area. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Arkansas, Craighead and Poinsett.
Mental issues, anxiety, schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, or